Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to use packet tracer number 3218, and this is our topology, and this is going to be our instruction sheet, and we are going to configure RIP version 2 for today's video. So let's go ahead and start with router 1 here. If you guys like, we can actually go ahead and try to ping PC1 from PC3 just to make sure if they're able to ping each other as whatever state they are right now. Okay, so let's do that. I forgot the Okay, destination unreachable. That means we do not have any connection between this WAN here. So we are going to configure RIP on our routers and see what happens at the end. So let's go ahead and do that. Enable, configure terminal. Okay, and first of all, as the instruction says, we have to go ahead and configure a default route here. It's super simple to configure default route. This is the same exact command for default route and only equipment that you're going to use. Very simple. IP route 0.0.0.0 space 0.0.0.0 space 0/1. So that's specified for our exit interface. So we're going to follow the instructions. Okay. And now we are going to go ahead and try to start, or actually start configuring RIP into router 1. So router RIP, we get into the configuration mode for configuring RIP, and then we're going to use version 2. So as per instruction, we have to disable auto summarization. We are going to do that auto summary, and then it says we have to configure the networks connected to router 1. Of course, we will do that. So we have these two networks connected to router 1. So one is this one, and then one is this one. Okay. So all we have to do is enter network and then that network address 1.0, and then the second one 2.168.2.0. Okay, what else? Configure the LAN port that contains the router so that it does not send out any routing information. Okay, so it's asking us that we have to put this LAN interface into a passive mode. That way, this LAN cannot send any routing information into our topology. So very simple, passive interface, G gigabit or G0/0. So now this interface actually went into a state where it's not able to send out any routing information into the whole topology here. Okay, advertise the default route configured in step 1. So now we have to advertise this default route that we actually configure right here into RIP protocol. That way it can be advertised into the rest of the topology. So it is very simple as well. All we have to enter is default information originate. So boom, done. We are done with that, and now we have to save the configuration in router 1. So I'm going to use the shortcut do WR. That's saving my configuration here. So we're done with router 1. Let's go ahead and step on router 2 and configure router 2. The same exact steps, except we don't need to advertise that default route that we did in router 1. Okay, router RIP version 2. Okay, let's see. No, okay, no auto summarization. I always forget this. If your instructions ask you to, prevent the auto summarization of routes, you have to do that. So let's see how many networks do we have connected in router 2. 1, 2, 3. Okay, we have the 2 network, 3 network, and the 4 network. So okay, let's go ahead and configure those networks here. 192.168.2.0, 192.168.3.0, 92.168.4.0. Okay, perfect. So again, I think, yep, we have to put this LAN interface into passive mode. That way, again, we can prevent that interface from advertising any routing information into the topology. So 0, perfect. Let's see if you have to do anything else here. Okay, save the configuration, perfect. So we are done with router 2. Let's go ahead and configure router 3. Again, configure terminal, read version 2. Okay, version 2, and then no summary. Okay, and router 3, we have 2 networks, the 4 network and the 5 network. So we are going to advertise this 2 networks as well. 192.168.4.0 or network 192.168.5.0. Okay, and again, I think we need to put this interface into passive mode. Passive interface 0. Okay, pretty much we are done with configuring this 3 router with routing information protocol version 2 or RIP version 2. So let's go ahead and try to ping PC1 again, see what happens. So last time, as you can see, destination was not reachable. So let's see what happens this time. So when we are trying to ping, probably the first thing, may take a little while because it needs to translate or resolve the address. So if we try to do that the second time, it should go right away. There we go. So, okay, again, thank you very much, everyone, for watching this video, and I hope you learned something from this video. And please do not forget to subscribe and share and like the video. If you have any questions, any concerns, any confusions, please go to the comment section and write your question, and I will try to be as prompt as I can to answer your questions. Thank you again, and have a great time. See you guys next video then.